Hi, welcome to Forex In Four. I'm Mike Conlon for FXEDU, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the highlights of where the action is in today's Forex market. So let's get started.
Good morning. Today is Friday, June 3rd, 2011. This morning I'm talking about payday, and by that I mean we're talking about the non-farm payrolls report, which is due out in a couple of minutes. And I wanted to run this video this morning to watch and see what's going to happen with this payrolls report, because a lot of times this is going to induce volatility in the markets, and you can actually see it happening a little bit here. All right, we're looking at Euro USD in a 5-minute chart, and you can see it's sort of floundering around, but right now Euro is actually a little bit higher, well, it's flat to higher than USD, so I'm not sure that the market knows exactly what to expect. But basically what's happened is that as a result of Wednesday's ADP employment change, a lot of analysts have revised their figures lower for today's Friday's report, because the economy seems to be slowing, seems to be hitting a soft patch, so no one's quite sure what the number is or actually what the consensus expectation is. It started off at about 175. I'm hearing the median is about 165 now, but you got to remember that a lot of analysts may not have changed their original opinion, because it's the kind of thing where, listen, if you come out with an opinion, some guys think you should just stick with it. Others say, no, wait a second, if you get new information, you should revise. So, it's a crapshoot as far as, what these guys do with their figures. But in any event, it's going to be interesting to see how the market reacts here based on what this number is, because if you set the bar lower, okay, if you beat it, then it could be, seen as a good thing. But you can see right here, the market's moving. It looks like we're just about to get the release. Euro going through 145. Let's see what the number is. Bear with me 1 second while I get it, folks. $54,000 jobs. Wow. That is a huge miss, okay? And we have 9.1% unemployment. That's also a miss, all right? They were expecting 8.9%. Now, a lot of these analysts revised their figures. Here's something interesting. Okay, we see the euro moving higher here through 145 area, all right? But it's going to be interesting to see if this means that there's going to be risk in the market, which is actually going to improve demand for the dollar, all right? Or if we're going to get, the kind of thing where we think that the euro is going to gain strength because people don't want to be in the dollar, and that perhaps QE3 is going to happen further. All right, so you can see this volatility spike here up about we're anywhere from about 15 pips or so. So it's difficult to say what's going on, but let's look at some of the other currency pairs to see what's happening. I want to take a look at dollar Swiss. All right, wow, dollar tanking versus Swiss here. All right, so you can see that this is a good safe haven play right here. People are rushing to the safety of the Swiss franc, and I think they're uncertain what to do right here with the euro and the dollar, because under normal circumstances, the dollar would be the safe haven currency, but if the safe haven currency is tanking, then you might not necessarily want to be in it, and you have to consider that, the dollar is going to be a very good safe haven currency when the stuff hits the fan. And if you think back to 2008, when there were structural issues and that people thought the whole banking system was going to collapse, well, then you needed to have dollars, because everything's basically priced in dollars. But if it's just a situation of a slowing economy, all right, and dollars weakening, then it may not be as attractive as safe haven. So that's an interesting move here for dollar Swiss, okay? And we can see here, euro just hanging in there just above 145, could pull back. So a very bad report here. The economy not looking good, and I think that going into the weekend, this is going to induce a lot of risk taking. So, risk aversion. So it looks like stocks have sold off here in the morning. Oil pulling back, and that going into the summer, we may be preparing for the ultimate slowdown. So, selling may go away. That may have been the best option at this point in time. But this number was just an awful number. So anyway, folks, that's what I've got today. You can see how this volatility can occur. So just keep an eye on it. Be careful with it, because we're still not done yet as the market tries to discern exactly what it wants to do today. So that's what I've got for today. Good trading and good weekend to all.
As always, be sure to check out the written blog at www.fxedu.com to get complete coverage of today's Forex market. If you would like to learn more about how to trade the Forex market from professionals like myself, be sure to check out our affordable Forex trading courses. And if you're already a seasoned professional or aspire to be one, ask us how we can help you achieve your Forex goals. Go to www.fxedu.com to get started today.